Space exploration has long been a fascinating and awe-inspiring endeavor, but it has also been a difficult one. Humans have a natural habitat on Earth, and venturing outside of that can have a significant impact on their bodies. In this video, we'll explore 5 effects that space can have on the human body. From radiation and microgravity to immune system suppressions and sleep disturbances, there are a number of ways that space can affect the human body. We'll discuss these effects and what can be done to address them. By exploring the effects of space on the human body, we can gain a better understanding of how these conditions can be managed, and how scientists and astronauts can better prepare for long-term space exploration. Knowing the risks of space travel can help us to better prepare for the future, and ensure that the risks are minimized. 1. Bone loss. One of the most significant risks to astronauts in space is bone loss. Exposure to microgravity causes bones to lose density, leading to an increased risk of fractures and other degenerative conditions. This is because the weight-bearing load is removed from the bones, meaning they don't get the stimulus they need to remain strong. Additionally, astronauts in space may be more prone to calcium and vitamin D deficiencies, as they are unable to get sufficient exposure to sunlight. To combat this, astronauts need to engage in regular exercise and take dietary supplements to ensure they are getting enough calcium and vitamin D. 2. Muscle atrophy. One of the most common effects of being in space is muscle atrophy. This is the weakening and wasting away of muscles due to lack of use. Without the same level of gravity forces that our bodies are used to experiencing on Earth, the muscles in our bodies are not being used to the same degree, and so they start to weaken and waste away. Astronauts in space can experience up to 20% muscle loss in just a few weeks. This is why it is important for astronauts to perform regular exercises in space to counter the effects of muscle atrophy. 3. Fluids shift. Third on our list is the effect of fluid shifts. When astronauts are in a weightless environment, the fluids in their body tend to move around and accumulate in the head and chest area. This can lead to headaches and vision changes, as well as fluid accumulation in the lungs. In extreme cases, fluid shifts can cause changes to the astronaut's posture that can affect their ability to work. To counteract this effect, astronauts exercise regularly and wear special suits designed to keep the fluids in their body in balance. 4. Changes in vision. One of the most common effects of long-term space travel on the human body is changes in vision. Astronauts in space experience a noticeable increase in the curvature of their eyeballs due to the absence of gravity. This is known as space myopia, or nearsightedness, and can lead to difficulty focusing on distant objects, headaches, and fatigue. Research suggests that regular eye exercises can help prevent or delay these changes, while glasses or contact lenses can also help. But it's important to note that, while these measures can help, they do not restore normal vision. 5. Negative psychological effects. One of the lesser-known effects of space exploration on the human body is the potential for negative psychological effects. Long-term space missions can cause astronauts to feel isolated, confined, and disconnected from their families. Without the grounding effect of Earth, astronauts can also experience a sense of disorientation and confusion about their own identity. This can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health problems. Additionally, the stress of space travel can lead to mistakes and dangerous errors in judgment. To help mitigate these effects, astronauts participate in psychological counseling and relaxation exercises while in space. To conclude, space has a great many effects on the human body, some of which can be dangerous and even life-threatening. However, with the right preparation and caution, these effects can be mitigated and the wonders of space exploration can be experienced without irreparable harm. With new technologies and advances in medicine, space exploration is becoming increasingly accessible, allowing more and more people to experience the unique effects that space can have on the human body. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.